Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this video. Today I'll be taking you through how to do pull-ups in the right way and to do it in the right order. So we'll start out by doing it here and to put main focus on getting in the shoulder width. A lot of guys do them on the lat wide width, but you don't want to do that. You want to concentrate in here on the shoulders so you can pull up. Let's do it. So don't go out here, don't do this. Come in here, shoulder width, go up, grip, and don't do the suicide grip, do a normal grip. Get in here, tighten up, breathe in. So yeah guys, this will just be a short video and feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have any video ideas, just drop them down in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next one. Keep it real.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.